newly refurbished King Suite in the Ipanema Tower. This is on floor 17. So we start off with the sectional sofa, furniture, big TV, some artwork light on the walls, nice big floor to ceiling window, of course. There's a raised table with stools, maybe grab a drink. Nice king size bed, it's nice. We've got a unit here which houses a refrigerator and plenty of room for all of your own personal items in there. So no minibar items taking up room. And if we go through, we have a little dressing area, sink, mirror, large closet space. Large closet space, but not many hangers as usual. Two safes, more artwork, paying homage to the Rio. Then we have in WC, we have another sink, toilet, nicely refurbed shower unit, enclosed. Shower head has seen better days. That's the King Suite in the Ipanema Tower at Rio, Las Vegas.